Hey guys, it's Eric here. I just wanted to make a quick video about my setup that I use at the drift track. It's pretty basic, but this is my Sakura D5 clone. I'll go more into depth about what I use and all the electronics. So at the front, I've decided to go monoshock setup, using a Year Racing big bore on the front with a Rev D medium soft spring. So for the steering, I've got Rev D SG knuckles with some 9mm hubs on it and some RDX axles and Rev D bearings. For my ball studs, I've got Yokomo 4.3 ball studs and links. This is kind of the angle that I'm getting at right now. For body posts, I'm just using some cheap AliExpress, like eBay ones. They seem to do the job pretty well. So coming down to the servo, I'm using a Rev D RSST servo. I actually love this combo. I've been using it for a couple months, actually like more a year now, and I've just fallen in love with it. I'll never change from it. And for gyro, I'm using a Yokomo V4, probably the best gyro I've ever used. Such a good gyro. For my battery, I'm using Z lipos, a 5000 milliamp, and just a shorty with 4mm bullets. Works great. So for the ESC, I'm using a XT10 Pro. I just got this. I've only had it for like a month or so. Probably the best investment I've done. Just using the standard capacitor at the moment. For rear suspension, we got the Year Racing big bores. I've got original D5 springs in them. For gearing, 94 tooth spur gear with a 17 tooth pinion gear. Makes it really snappy around the track, super fast. For my motor, I've got a D10 Hobby Wing. Just amazing, super smooth, works really well with the ESC. It also just works amazing with a belt drive system that I've got in this car. For my remote, I'm just using a FLYSKY NB4. I've used it for like a year now. Works really great. For my body now, I'm using a Series 2 RX-7 FB. Just painted it white, really. And then got Hunter RC down in New South Wales. They custom did my Mango Loco livery for me. Absolutely love it. It just looks amazing. I'll just showcase the body a bit more and then I'll add some clips in while I'm at the track.